Hello everybody, welcome to Tech. Today's video is about how you can resize your disk partitions, and I'm going to teach you how to do that using a tool from Windows itself. So first off, you can just go ahead and open your File Explorer and you can see this PC right here. Go ahead and right click there and click on Manage. This will open a new window called Computer Management. You can go ahead and close the File Explorer, and now there's a tool called as Disk Management right here. You can go ahead and click that, and this is the tool we're going to be using to resize all our disk partitions. So now if I say, for example, want to create a new partition in this disk 0, I'm gonna right click that and I'm gonna click on shrink volume. So this is the shrink volume box where we can allocate some space. So now I'm gonna allocate 50,000 megabytes, that is about 50 gigabytes of space, into my new partition. And then I'm gonna click shrink, and this should create some unallocated space. And now you can see my stuff drive has two partitions, one allocated and one unallocated. So now if I want to create a partition that actually works, I'm gonna right click that and create new simple volume. So now this wizard should pop up and you can select the amount of space that you want to allocate to that disk. Now I would recommend using the same amount of space that you just unallocated from the previous partition, because if you don't do that, there'll be some unallocated space which you will not be able to use. So let's go ahead and click next right there, and now you can assign whatever letter you want to your new partition. I'm gonna say X, and then I'm gonna just click next, and then you want to click on format, and you can select all your preferences. I would recommend leaving them on default, and then you can just click finish, and you can see a new volume X has been created after some time right there. Yes. And now if we open our File Explorer and open this PC, you can see that there's a new partition called new volume, and it has the letter X assigned to it. And now if I head to properties, we can see that it has the same amount of space that I unallocated from my previous partition, that was stuff. Now you can see that my stuff partition has all its files safe and intact, and I still have a new partition. Now say, for example, I don't want this partition, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on delete volume, and this is gonna say that deleting will erase all your data. You can just click yes, because I don't have any files. If you have any files, you can just transfer them back into this partition, and then you can just format this drive. And after you do this, it'll reset it back to unallocated space, and you can now right click on your stuff or whatever drive you want to extend, and yeah, you can just click on extend volume, and it'll open a new extend volume wizard where you can allocate some space to the extension. I'm gonna say 50,000 because that's how much I unallocated. Just finish, and now you can see that my drive has been restored. So now you can see that there's no partition, and it's my stuff, and it has 931 GB, and there's no new volume. So that's how you can create partitions, create new volumes, and extend the space of already created partitions using computer management and disk management. So that's a really short video. Hope you found it helpful. Thanks everyone, and subscribe for more content. This is Tech signing off.